top shop, top here. We're building ramps. That's pretty good weld. 7.5 foot long for the toy hauler. We got one done. Now I gotta put all the rest of these pieces together and make another one. Alright, all the pieces that were on the floor, now on the table, laid out with a mark every 9 inches, because that's what the ramps on some of my other trailers are. So we'll fire this up and start burning it all together. I got her clamped down all over the place, because anybody that welds knows that when you start welding shit, it starts warping. Alright, not my best work, but got that all tacked together, and it's really hot, so I'm gonna leave it sit there, leave it clamped down, get my little hook on the end for hooking it on the back of the toy hauler, and when that cools off, we'll put in the last rail down there where those 2 clamps are, and then we'll start building these pieces into the truss. The truss is what makes it super strong, kind of like the one I have right there. That whole big steel door is made out of 1-inch tubing, but because I put in a truss, it doesn't bend. All right, here we go. The little blocks of wood there are to represent level ground, because that's got asphalt millings and this is just dirt. So that's how that's working out on the old toy hauler. Just 3 sticks of 2 by 2 by 3/16. That's a 3/4 inch rod, oil filled sucker rod, and they hook right in the lip from where I made my dovetail. Makes a very nice approach onto the toy hauler. So I don't know, I think it's going to work good. Thanks for watching.